Alright guys, what you see here, besides this little guy here, banging on drums. Just got back from the DMV earlier today. I got it registered in my name and I got the title. I bought it from a guy on a bill of sale. It was a pain in the butt. He had nothing to give me, wouldn't work with me. So I went down, spent 3 hours in line and 10 minutes of actually doing something, and we got it. So what we have is the project is finally going to start. I ran the engine. I had to clean out the carb, of course. It was sitting and wouldn't start without starting fluid. But I ran it for a while. Got it hot. This thing was smoking like there was no tomorrow. And now I just drained the oil. We're gonna start taking it apart and getting some work done, huh?